Hello, John here. I'm just driving along the new, just completed Northern Connector, they call it, which connects up from the Northern Expressway down New Gawler all the way through to South Road now. It's quite a wide road. It's 4 lanes wide. It's you're doing 110. I'm probably just under 100 here, but it's pretty well 110 all the way in. It'll be quite impressive for, say, like Easter weekends, I think. Like, although with the current circumstances, it will be quiet next week, but still with heavy traffic along here, well, this would be a dream really, to drive in and out of the city towards Port Wakefield, I think. So it'll free up a lot of traffic. But yeah, it's quite impressive. They've just finished it, so this is my first time that I'm driving along here. All right, thanks. Cheers.